Hello everyone, my name is Kid and today is the 13th of June. Oh, Friday the 13th, that's crazy. Um, Today is a little bit like, damn, I woke up mad late and I was in bed when this setup happened and I saw it setting up, but I didn't take it because I was afraid of yesterday and all that stuff. And also, I was in bed and I was tired as fuck, but mainly, primarily, like, oh, I was just afraid because I lost 2 days in a row. So I was just like, I didn't want to jump out of bed and enter a set. Hold on. I'm trying to think. I gotta log in. Hold on. I gotta log in. Hold on. Because I was just like, it's delayed. Hold on. Okay. It sucks to see, because this was the my probabilities playing out and I just wasn't there because I went to bed really late last night. Damn. And that's another setup, bro. I was literally like, you know what? I see this area right here, a little cell setup. Man, I felt it, but that's okay because of that demand that's down here. So I felt like price might want to tap back in because we're at this supply zone or this key level area right there. That's crazy. You see things and then shit happens before you have time to react to it. And you're like, okay, well, that's the whole point of being here on time and, this, that, and the third. So you have time to prepare and feel ready and this, that, and the fucking third. Hmm. Okay, so because, like, we did enter a key level area, we do have gaps to the upside, so it's like, okay, check the 15. Yeah, we still have gaps, and we have a 15-minute demand that's down here as well. So I'm seeing price temporarily bearish, like this 1-to-1 right here, and then we could potentially take it to the upside with this demand zone that's down here. Um, I think she knows. Did I play on him like that? Mm-hmm. I think he knows. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Today's just been a Now, how does that happen? Today's just been a day, Already off to a good start because ugh, we saw our probability play out. We saw one of our setups play out, and then we're seeing another one of our setups play out. Uh, it sucks to not be in them, but it's also nice knowing that the markets are going to be here for the long term. So, just like me. So, when this hits TP, like, hopefully it comes down and hits this demand zone, and then we can potentially take it up to the upside. Um, oh yeah, and I noticed something else. Let me go to the camera for this. I be out of pocket in these videos, like, for real, like, just only in my towel. Like, I gotta chill. So I was just like, yo, I was just thinking in my car, like, yo, I be out here on YouTube like this. And I'm like live streaming and everything. Like, that's out of pocket. That's dangerous. I mean, but like, yeah, I was just thinking about it. It just made me laugh, but then it was just like, yo, I gotta chill. Like, my room is messy. You can clearly see that. Like, my room is messy, mad messy. Um, that's that's my reality, bro. So that's chill. But like me getting up with my towel on, like right now, like I don't know. I just have not been getting dressed. Hold on, I gotta fart. Did you hear that? Probably didn't. Probably, maybe you did. Maybe that first one. I heard a little sound bite on there. The audio. I don't know if that was just my voice, but oh, but yeah, man. Yesterday was just such a fucking whirlwind of emotions, bro. As usual when you don't win. As usual when you don't win. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Hopefully it comes down to tap into this zone because I'm not playing, bro. I need a win. For real. I need a win. Oh my god, bro. I make myself irritated. I think you like should have woke up early. Should have came on the charts. I know, I know, I know. Can I stop? Can I change the past? No. So we here right now. I can't do anything about what I didn't do. I can only do something about the things that's right here, right next to me, right there in front of me, you know what I mean? Like I feel bad because my day would have been over. I would have been smiling. I would have been already happy, cheesing like, "Hey, we won. Let's go." And we won. We could have won twice on this little counter trend and then on this, fair value gap right here. But the reality is, I'm here after watching two setups win, hoping that the probabilities is still in my thing. I checked news already. There's no high impact news until 10 a.m. It's 8 o'clock right now, so you know, just I'm just on that. At the dying, no, thank you. Why this would have been a good counter trend is because we've seen price wick this area 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? Like if we inverted it, damn. It's just frustrating to see setups happen after the fact. Well, I saw it when it was, going. This is like one of those things. It's just one of those things, man. It's testing your patience. For reals. It's testing my patience. Like, can I do the things I say that I can do? Am I here for the long term? You just here for the money grab. Is they gonna tap my zone or is they gonna play with my life? Hmm? The questions we'll never get an answer to. The questions we'll never really know. Because if you really think about it, it's still a fair value gap right there. Hmm. Uh, I think she knows. I'm playing it like that. This is MES. I think it knows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like if it tries some slick shit, would you go for this fair value gap? Listen, if we take out this demand zone, we got this fair value gap right there. Cigarette in the fountain, down it. Hit the Dawson. And fade and fall. Get to thinking. You're irreplaceable. Okay, so we got a break of the candle. Right now we have a fair value gap set up. Until we got a break of the candle, no candles closed within the zone. Is this a 1 hour key level? Yeah, but we got some 1 hour confluence because there's gaps to the upside. And we got some 15, and we're tapped into a 15-minute demand too. So we got some confluences from the upper hand thing right here. So I keep that on, even if it's not there. The 50 EMA is lined up. Yeah. 2 weeks. Yeah. No. 200 against us. No. So if this doesn't go, I can take this as a fair value gap. This is 15 ticks on MES. Okay. So that would be perfect as far as 4 contracts. 1, 2, 3. And then we zoom in. Okay, because we see that shit. Listen. I'm just hoping it don't do me dirty. That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm praying for. But we just gonna let, cause we followed our rules. We predetermined our risk, and I'm not going to let fear take control and be like, oh my gosh, well, yesterday I lost on a fair value gap, and today price just already won on a fair value gap. Wait, like, and then it won and won, and like I'm so scared to take this fair value gap because watch this be the fair value gap that loses, and it's like I don't know that. I don't know that at all. Anything can fucking happen. And so it's just like, I'm just thinking about it as a probability because it's the fact that I already won in the sense of if I woke up and showed up at the time that I say that I show up, my day would be over and I would be happy, gone with my day, excited, happy to post a video on YouTube being, I made money today. But no, I'm here right now, still in that area of, stress where it's like I might make money or I might lose a lot today, and I can't I can't pretend that that doesn't get to me. That would be ludicrous. That would be ludicrous. Like I cannot pretend that like, oh, I'm unfazed by the fact that I've lost twice in a row. I'm unfazed that I'm down on the month as of right now. I'm unfazed. Please. That's all I could think about down there. I think she knows. Me hoping that it taps the demand. Okay. I was scared. I was like, did it tap in? It didn't break the candle. Please tap the zone. Me really wanting it to tap this demand zone. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we're in the setup. See where that goes. There's that supply zone right there, so I'm not oblivious to that. So just hoping that we can get something. When you're just like, bro, if it did that just so it can tap into the supply zone and then go down to the demand, I'm on another level. They're on another level, bro. They're on another level. Turn up the bass and treble. Turn it up, turn it up. My insecurities are showing. Good. Would love to see a nice bullish closure. We got less than 20 seconds left. Would love to see a nice bullish closure Not to say that that means anything, but just would love to see it because that shows, you know, bullish buying power. Okay, we got a closure. I feel like it's gonna be like a retracement candle right here. Okay. How much did I do? 61.25. I feel like it was supposed to be more. What, 14? Oh, I know why. It was supposed to be more, but I know why it's not. Okay. Yeah, so look at that. We want to set up. I'm kind of irritated. I'm not even gonna lie. I wanted more. The greed is just it's hitting me, bro. All right. Well, we won. We won. Look at our probabilities playing out. I'm proud of myself because there was a lot of noise in my head, thinking, oh, we woke up late, this, that, and the third, and we missed two setups, and also the fact that, you know, there was this perfectly good demand zone here, you know, us taking this fair value gap, like, what are we thinking, this, that, and the third, and then look at it, it just fucking takes off. So I just, you know me, I wish I held. You know, I'm a beginner. I have made no money that I can withdraw in trading. So every time I win, it's like I just wish I won more. When every time we lose, we're just praying for a win. So I won't feel satisfied as a whole until, you know, I'm withdrawing money from the markets. And that's been the main thing that's been killing me because it feels like borderline impossible. Because I'm now, I mean, I'm in the break even stages of my trading, which, you know, I'm grateful for, but it just, it kind of be like, it kind of be like, oh my God, you know, just feel like I'm not here. Just feel like I'm not good enough. Just feels like I'm gonna be here forever. I'm stuck in this loop of, you know, winning and then losing and then winning again and then bringing and giving it right back. And just that whole giving it right back, like that's like the whole thing. That's been my main thing, you know, like just feeling like I win and then I lose and then I win and then I lose and then I win and then I lose and then it's just so crazy. Like nothing, oh, excuse me, like everything feels like impossible to break through of. And I realized like I guess I just have to get better at like understanding how I lose and where my losses come from. That's why, you know, gratefully I've been reducing the amount of breakout setups. Like I haven't traded breakouts in a long time, like because of just simply not trading them right and just like suffering from the consequences of that. And I wish I would have. Child, we need money. See, that's when like when the desperation starts and you just let me exit out of there, right? And that's when the desperation starts and you just feel like, bro, we should have helped. We should have I need more, I need more, I need more. And it's like, damn man. I'm just grateful that we took the setup, even though we were afraid. That's all I can say. But yeah, that's the end of this video. It's the end of my day. Sadly, I wish I held for way more money than I have to cover losses. But it's 1-to-1. So I follow my rules to stay disciplined and come back the next day. Alright, that's it for me. See y'all.